Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a very effective hair growth spray that really works. We experience hair fall mainly due to three reasons: stress, nutritional deficiencies, and scalp problems. Eating a traditional diet rich in fiber and nutrients and learning to cope up with day-to-day stress will help reduce hair loss. Along with it, using homemade hair treatments like this will stop hair loss and promote hair regrowth very fast. The best part about the spray is you only need two ingredients for making it. The first is fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds promote hair growth, treats dandruff very effectively, conditions the hair and scalp, and nourishes the hair follicles well. I have been using fenugreek seeds for my hair from a young age. My mother started using it for me to treat dandruff, and I still continue to use it till today. So I can confidently say that all the above said claims about fenugreek is true. The second ingredient we need for the spray is black seeds, also called as Kalonji seeds. Kalonji seeds have been used from ancient times. It has been used for treating many ailments, including eczema, allergies, asthma, bronchitis, and hair fall. It is one of the best ingredients to use for hair care, as it can be used for treating different hair problems, including scalp inflammation, male and female pattern baldness, and premature graying of the hair. The reason black seeds are so effective is due to the powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory ingredients present in it. The fatty acids present in black seeds conditions the scalp and gives a nice shine to a hair. This hair growth spray, if used regularly, will help reduce hair fall drastically. Since fenugreek seeds are cooling, it generally does not agree with people who are prone to sinus infection. So if you're prone to sinus infection, I would suggest not using this remedy. Take 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds in a bowl. Add in a teaspoon of black seeds to it. Now grind this mixture to a coarse powder in a dry mixer. Now to the ground mixture, add in a cup of water. Now boil this mixture on low to medium flame till the color of the water changes, which will approximately take around 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes, the mixture also would have thickened slightly. Now switch off, let cool, and strain through a muslin cloth to get a smooth mixture. Now pour into a glass bottle and store it in the fridge. To use, spray the mixture all over the scalp 10 minutes before hair wash. After 10 minutes, you can wash and condition your hair as usual. Initially, I would suggest using it for 10 minutes, and over time, you can increase it to 15 to 20 minutes. This mixture has to be refrigerated immediately once made, else it will spoil quickly. If stored in the fridge, it will last well for about 5 days. There are only 2 things to remember while making this hair growth spray. Make sure to grind the ingredients a bit coarsely. Second is straining through a cloth if you want a smooth liquid. I would suggest using this treatment daily or on alternate days for a week or 2. Once your hair fall is reduced, you can use it weekly once or twice. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.